Okay, this is a very vivid and interesting work to discuss. There's a lot of shapes. There's quite a variety of shapes and sizes and color and value. You have some light areas and some dark areas. There's a lot of motion going on. You see these curved lines. All the curved lines are creating some motion. And this table kind of draws you back to the other end of the design. Most of the lines are curved. You see some straight lines like in the table. And the focal point is probably here on this watermelon because of the contrast in the very bright colors, although you also are drawn to this woman because of the contrast between the light and the dark in between the watermelon and her clothes. Now there is variety certainly in this work because of all the different shapes and colors and sizes. And the thing that provides some harmony is the repetition. Now you have some large shapes that have relatively little detail in them pretty much throughout, although this watermelon, these leaves have a bit of detail. But you see how kind of blocky these kind of look without a whole lot of detail in many of the shapes. And the very saturated but dark colors are something that's in common throughout the whole thing. And so there's a bit of harmony, and it's this bringing together of the repetition and the variety that is creating some nice unity in the work to create this rather interesting ethnic kind of looking design. Now there's a lot of positive space. All of the figures and all of the shapes are really filling up this design or this painting quite a bit. There's a little bit of negative space that you might call background or empty in here and maybe down here, down in here, but it's mostly filled with the positive space.